This account is presently in soft liquidation. The account has borrowed using the Curve DAO token as collateral over the maximum range of 50 bands. This is considered one of the safer positions. However, the price did drop into this range. On the right, you can see that a good amount of this collateral has been converted into stablecoin as the price fell, and then sold back into the collateral token as prices rose. You can observe the left side of this collateral is safer because it has not fallen into this range. Because this account is in soft liquidation, it cannot partially withdraw or add more collateral to the position. However, repaying even a small amount of Curve USD can increase this health factor and reduce the risk that the overall collateral backing of the position drops to a point where a hard liquidation is forced.